Unlock the power of artificial intelligence to bring ancient scripture to life like never before. Today, we're diving into how to create captivating animated Bible stories using Leonardo AI, transforming timeless narratives into visually stunning educational content. First, let's craft our characters. Open Leonardo AI and head to the image generation section. Use descriptive prompts to visualize your biblical figures. Think about their personality, era, and key attributes. For instance, for Noah, you might describe him as a wise, weathered patriarch with kind eyes, holding a small wooden ark, set against a backdrop of a stormy sky. Experiment with different styles and settings within your prompts to find the perfect look. Generate a few options, and select the character designs that best resonate with your vision for the story. Next, we'll lay the groundwork for animation by creating visual sequences for each key moment or scene in your chosen Bible story. Generate a series of images that depict movement or progression if you're animating the creation of the world. Start with a dark void, then progress to swirling nebulae, and finally, the formation of land and water. Use Leonardo AI's image generation to produce these sequential frames for smoother transitions. Ensure your prompts maintain consistency in lighting, colors, and character appearance across related images. For example, when animating Goliath's approach in the David and Goliath story, you generate images of him growing larger and closer with each frame. Once you have your character designs and your scene sequences, it's time to animate. Import your generated images into your preferred video editing software. Arrange them in order to create your animated sequences. You can then add simple animations like fades, pans, or even slight movements of characters using the tools available in your editing program. For instance, to show the walls of Jericho falling, you'd use animation to make the generated castle walls crumble and recede. Combine these visually rich generated scenes with your chosen script for a truly engaging and educational experience that brings the word to life for a modern audience.